Okay, Miss Dobbins, here we go. You go click on your page where you go to create a lesson. Then you're going to click on the lesson that you want to change. And for me, that's going to be, I'm just going to pick that one for you. Okay? Then after you click on that lesson, these three dots right here, you click on that. And this panel opens up and you click on edit. And once you open up that panel, you can go here and change the due date for all, for the whole assignment. And that's it. It's really easy. It's just hard to find sometimes. But there you go. Let me know if I can help in any other way.